Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to our channel, we are High Season, a social media agency that helps business owners, entrepreneurs, and marketers step their social media game up and break the algorithm. I am here by myself for a very quick video because we finally discovered the answer to a long-running question that people have been asking us as long as Reels has been around, which is like 1 month.
Yeah, about a month.
But what some people have noticed, if you have a business account, you are unable to add music to your Instagram Reels. So people have been having to find ways to get around it, be it VPN, which I thought was very interesting. I know people were talking about that, using original audio instead, or just like having the unfortunate thing of not being able to have music in your reel. However, there is a way to get around this. And it's interesting, what we didn't realize when we first filmed our introduction to Instagram Reels, which I will leave right here for you, we didn't have music in the High Season account, but we had music from our, I think we used the BAOS account for this one.
Yes.
The BAOS account had it, the High Season account didn't, but we didn't think anything of it because so many of the accounts had different features that we thought it was just rolling out weird to everybody or differently to everybody. Then after a while, people kept asking, saying like, how come the business accounts don't have it? And when we create our own reel, we're like, oh, from the High Season account either. However, this is the way to add Instagram music to your reel with a business account. Craig is going to come in here.
Let's do it. By the way, shouts to the new camera. Look at the background.
Hey guys, we have a new camera. Tell us if you noticed. Okay, so as you can see, we're in the High Season account here. You will not believe how easy it is to actually add it, which just shows that it's a glitch in the end. So here we are in the High Season account for High Season, which is a business account. If you hit the plus sign up there, which allows you to create the reel, and there's various ways to get into reel. We have a ton of videos on it, but this is one of the ways to get into reels. So when you go into reels, you'll see that we don't have the music option there, right? However, if you just click the space above it, the music pops up.
Whoa.
Like, what is that? So that just means it's basically a glitch.
It's really strange.
So guys, again, when you're making your reel, just add to your reel. Even if you don't have the music option there, just click the space right above it where the music button actually would have appeared, and you'll be able to add Yummy by Justin Bieber to your song. So guys, check that out. Super easy and simple. Obviously, to add Instagram music to your reel in general, we'll just go to another account so you can see it quickly. You're just going to that space right above your reel. So normally, it should have that little audio button right there.
Right there. There you go.
So that's what's missing in some business accounts. So I hope that this works for everybody, but now if you are a business account and you've been wanting to add music to your reels, we did have people in the comments asking me about this issue, so I'm glad we found out how to do it. So now you can add music to your reels. I actually found this, so I have to give credit where credit is due to an account called Your Social Team, and she got it from somebody else with an account named Tinsel and Tartan. So they're the ones who found it out. I'm sure other people maybe have found it out by now, but I had to share that with you guys and make sure that you were able to add music to your reels. So that's it for today. We have another video coming out tomorrow, and that's going to be about content ideas for reels. And today we're filming a vlog.
Yes,
and we're filming a video on what our daily engagement routine looks like. That's actually what this video was supposed to be, but we ended up jumping in here to give you this one because we know it was a very popular question. So if you like this video and you're going to start adding music to your Instagram Reels, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe below, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from us. You can follow us everywhere at High Season Co. and check out our website, highseasonco.com, for new blog posts or new blog posts coming up. Thanks to Dan over here.
Hey.
We'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.